Good day. My name is Vandy Dominica and me. I'm a final year student from University Technical Malaysia Melaka. In this video, I am going to present about my Bachelor Degree Project 1, which consists of 3 chapters. Chapter 1 is the introduction, Chapter 2 is the literature review, and Chapter 3 is the methodology. Development of training model for industrial automation system based on palm oil refinery automation system. Automation helps to increase the productivity by modernizing and snowballing job efficiency. Key goals of the automation are the merging of production systems. It maximizes productivity, improves the quality and performance, minimize labor costs, and most importantly, avoid fatal accidents. An automation engineering course trains students to troubleshoot, repair, and maintain automated industrial equipment. Malaysia is the world's largest producer of crude palm oil and exporting business, and palm oil has become an increasingly important vegetable oil on the world market. Malaysia has accomplished these achievements by constantly upgrading its manufacturing infrastructure. Therefore, the palm oil refinery process was chosen as a model for the development of training module. Animations are not ideal for all learning situations, but it has great potential. Animations are not beneficial to learning. It is often due to poor design, presentation to the wrong audience, or a topic that is not suitable for animation, where still graphics would be better. With the latest and inexpensive programmable logic control programming language software, supported by University Technical Malaysia Melaka, which is CX Programmer, the method does not clearly define for a better understanding of what is going on. Besides that, the existing hardware training module are faulty and expensive to repair. Through this training module, it will to create more flexible learning environment for students and instructors or lecturers. A training program to help students understand more about the process of an industry. It is a form of helpful guidance in supporting new and inexperienced instructor or lecturers. The objectives of building this project is to develop a training model based on a real industrial automation system using the cheapest yet effective method. Next is to visually describe an industrial automation system through animation. Lastly, to increase the validity of interpretation of the experiments performed during the laboratory session. Visual Basic Express 2010 is used to create the training module. The idea is building a graphical user interface which works similarly to SCADA system. The module is designed according to the process of the palm oil refinery. The training module and real-time CX programmer can be launched on any laptops or computers as long as the CX programmer is installed in it. This project is dedicated to the Programmable Logic Controller laboratory for the use of automation engineering students, lecturers, and instructors. For automation engineering students, brief PLC education are relevant. The control of automation system is, on the other hand, an important subject and is related to PLC systems. So the students in the field of automation learn about SCADA, HMI systems, and automation education. There are several studies in literature on automation education. This slide shows the previous studies conducted. The Delta PLC DVP14SS communicates with the Visual Basic 6.0 real-time automated control via PLC VB communication. The two devices communicate through the Modbus serial protocol. PLC acts as a slave Modbus device and answers the master by sending an answer message. Next is a developed PLC-powered water pumping system that can interact with wireless network. The unit has analog and digital electrical signal inputs, CPU control panels, and programming instruments. This project is developed by linking PLC and SCADA systems. Two software are used to build this training module. First is the Visual Basic Express 2010. Visual Basic is an event-driven programming language that is used primarily for the application development. This software is used to create a graphical user interface of the training module. A GUI, also known as Graphical User Interface, is a computer software framework with interactive visual components. An interface shows objects conveying knowledge and represents action that the user may take. Second is the CX Programmer. CX Programmer, the Omron PLC series programming software, is fully implemented in the CX1 software set. CX Programmer offers a variety of features to speed up the PLC program development. CX Programmer makes a simple drag-and-drop configuration of the whole PLC program traditional ladder language. In order to complete this project, the ladder diagram was designed to consist of push buttons and timers as primary parts to ensure the system works corresponding to the factory's process. Visual Basic, on the other hand, are used to build a controllable animation module where it consists of diagrams such as pipes and tanks. This module includes start and stop control, repeat adaptability, real-time CX programmer simulation, and pop-up information about specified process upon clicking on each tank in the module. Each time a specific tank is double-clicked, a pop-up display will describe the process of that tank. These two software can be simulated at the same time to ensure learners has maximum understanding of a process working sequence. This slide shows the flowchart of the palm oil refinery process. It has three phases: degumming, bleaching, and deodorizing of oil. The main purpose of degumming is to remove the gums from the crude vegetable oils. The purpose of bleaching is to remove gums, trace metals, pigments, peroxides, oxidation products, and other breakdown products in the crude oil by absorption on the active surface of the bleaching earth to improve color and stability of the final oil. The purpose of deodorizing vegetable oils is to remove odor substances. This ladder diagram is designed based on the previous flowchart. I have inserted a short clip of how this ladder diagram functions. This is the draft layout of the training module, which should be built using the Visual Basic Express 2010. It consists of tanks and pipes. The pipes will light up accordingly to the process of the palm oil refinery. Each tank takes 5 seconds to process, which is the same as the timer in the design ladder diagram. The color of the tanks represent the color of the oil in working condition. The settings are placed at the left corner of the layout. Therefore, in order to choose an industry that has the potential to set an example for effective learning, the palm oil refinery process has been chosen. The complexity of the process will help students to improve their critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and become more active in the learning process. The following are some of the references that has been used in conducting this research. So the whole idea of my project is that I am going to build a training model based on the palm oil refinery system by creating a graphical user interface form. This industry was chosen specifically because back in 2017, I did my internship at a palm oil refinery company, and all of their control room uses SCADA system. The operators were able to control the plant process through a screen, and if any faults were to happen in their machines, they will know it right away because it shows at the screen. This has helped them to lessen their risk from getting injured, and it's very time saving because they don't have to go down and search which machine has faults. Therefore, this project was built to give the industrial automation engineering students a closer view of the real industrial automation system in this era. Before I end my video, I would like to thank my supervisor and co-supervisor for their help and support in completing this bachelor degree project 1. And also thank you to my panels, Madam Saleha and Anchi Aminur Rashid. Thank you. Have a nice day. I would like to dedicate this special thanks to T.S. Sharudin bin Zakaria, T.S. Maslan bin Zaidon, T.S. Saleha bin Muhammad Saleh, and T.S. Aminur Rashid bin Nordin.